Hey, Mommy, we had a pictorial this afternoon. You wanna know what happened?
What happened?
So there was an exam. There's a retake exam for AP before the the pictorial, and then that exam was 40 questions, and then after the exam I wanted to pee so bad, so I asked my Arling Panlipunan teacher, can I go to the CR na? Because teacher said that if you want to go to the CR, it means you're passing your paper na. And then once I didn't want to pass my paper early, so I waited for 40, and I wanted to pee so bad since the start of AP. I think I've been holding it since 3 subjects. I'm not even joking, Mommy. 3 subjects.
Don't hold your pee.
Well, I can't because my teachers don't let me out. It's like they've got no mind. They should go back to kinder.
No, don't say that to your teachers.
Just know,
It's
if some of my teachers are watching this, no offense to the teachers that give me respect. Not the ones that I hate are the ones that don't let me pee even though I want to pee so bad.
Just tell them it's not good for your health. For anybody
They say
to hold your pee.
They say wait for the person to come back, and I'm like, sure, but I need to pee so bad. She was like, you have to wait. Only one person is allowed outside. And I was on the ground clutching my.
So the teachers allow
Corrupt,
you to
yes,
go to
like
the
BBM.
CR. They do allow you.
They allow us, but when there's someone outside, they don't let me out. You wanna know why?
Of course, there's a limit.
I know there's a limit, but is there a limit for me to hold my pee? No. So why is there a limit for people to go into the CR?
So what did you do? You just peed in your pants?
No.
What did you
I
do?
clutched my basketballs, and after the exam, back to the exam. After the exam, teacher told me that I could go to the CR. But then when my teacher, the advisor, came into the classroom, I asked her if I could pee. And she said, later. And I cried.
You cried? Loud?
Nope.
Loudly?
Tearing up.
And then?
I needed to pee so bad. So teacher wouldn't let me. I was like, don't
But
respect
don't
me,
hold
I
it.
don't respect you.
Listen, don't hold it for 3 subjects. You pee before the
I asked
subject starts.
from my teacher. No, that's the response.
For all the subjects?
Well, from English, I didn't want to pee that much, and we had an activity. So it was an activity where we had to write an essay, and it was timed like a pop quiz. And the thing was that that's the attendance for the
So that's the first subject.
Yes.
How about the second subject? Or before the second
The
subject?
second subject, there was no teacher.
So?
But the teacher
You can go out.
interns were there. So I asked them if I could go to the CR. Guess what they said?
No.
No.
So that's the second subject.
Yes.
How about the third subject?
Third subject, it was a retake exam. So we couldn't go out. If we go out, it means we have to submit our paper. And I was willing to get every single question answered, no matter if it's wrong or right.
Yeah, but next time, tell your teachers, Mommy said I should be.
Mommy, is this?
Yeah,
Or else
don't
I'll get
believe
sick.
me.
Mommy,
Or else I'll get sick.
Nah, yeah, let them believe
is
me.
this gonna
No,
turn?
tell them.
Is this?
Okay?
That's the thing. I'm telling them. They won't
No,
listen.
mention my name.
gonna
Mention
say
your
my
mother.
My
yeah.
mommy wants me to pee.
Yeah.
Like, you think they would believe me?
You try. Next week, you
My
try.
mommy wants me to pee because my mommy doesn't want to give me UTI. Yeah.
You just try.
Nice reason.
Tell me
Nice
next week if
reason
it
to
works. Okay?
If it doesn't, what's in it for me?
Tell me.
What's in it for me?
I will go to your teacher.
What, balbag them?
No.
Complain?
Yeah.
Yeah, like,
It's
we'll
a
do
valid
anything about
complaint.
it.
Yeah, it's a valid complaint.
I wonder why I don't blink. Oh yeah, because I got pulingan. Guys, I'm not crying because of this. I just don't blink. Because I got pulingan a little bit kanina.
What's pulling on? Something got inside your eye?
Yeah. If you ask me, and you already know it, why are you still asking me?
I just want to make sure.
Back to the story. How will you complain about me not
Do
peeing?
you want me to message your teacher now? It's a valid complaint.
Well, at least Ma'am Lani let me pee. I mean, my teacher
No.
let me pee.
That's not fair.
My teacher my advisor teacher let me pee because she
You try
shows
mentioning
mercy.
my name.
That's
One more time that it happens,
not.
No,
I'll speak
it's,
to all
it's
your
not
teachers.
it's not my advisor teacher.
Yeah.
It's my teacher interns.
Yeah. Whether advisors or not, or interns, it's the
That's
same.
not fair.
It's your health that we're talking about.
Yeah,
Okay?
one more
That's
time.
not fair.
One
How
more time.
do you complain?
They
for
don't-
your
they
teachers
don't-
from mine?
Same with your teachers?
Yeah.
Tell me one more time that it happens.
Why?
Okay?
No,
Tell me one more
I
time.
just can't blink.
Okay? Is that a deal? You
Yeah.
tell me if it happens again. Okay? YouTube, if it
3
happens
times
again,
already.
tell me if it happens again. Deal?
Yeah.
My mom
Okay.
told me to pee, so
Deal.
what I don't get this.
Aki, deal? Deal?
Deal.
Okay.
What's
End
in
of
it
the
for?
conversation.
Don't
What's in it for
listen.
me?
Do I have permission to call them the